And we are back here inside the City Arena. This is the start of the second half. First possession for the guys in black and yellow. As Inigo Taral winds it up. No hesitation. That's how you start the second half. And he cuts the lead down to 11. DK gives it to setting things up. DK, nagkaroon ng mapapasahan. Rosetta steals the ball as Rosetta goes all the way. Not that time, but there's a foul on number 00, Inigo Taran. (52-41), 11-point lead for the white shirts. Here's Manassas, intercepted in a steal by the black and yellow. Sanchez all the way. Oh, sorry, miss. Pero nakakuha naman ni Rib Capada. As Rib Capada here is heading to the free throw line. Second free throw for Rib. Rims out. Rebound secured by Kalinawan. Ethan. BK hesitates. And he carries the ball there. Kyrie drives, using his speed, short on that one. Here's DK. DK, the drive, the flip shot, short. Forward pass, tumatamoy naman ang Abdilaw. Here's Zio, the drop. And that's a traveling for Inigo Taran as Jaden Ramirez checks back in for the side of Infinite Basketball. Beruela. The drive. Shot block, page 10. Kalinawan, pivoting. As the ball stays with the Arrows with 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Wide open for three. Knocks it down for Vico Lakaya. Miscommunication on the part of Infinite Basketball. Yan, open on that 3-point area as De La Cruz steals the ball. Sorry, Miss Marin. Buti na lang. Nandun si Beruela on the step back. 57-42. 15-point lead for the GD Arrows. 7 minutes and 13 left. And a fine for Kyrie Santos basket and one. Kyrie Santos misses on that one. Teresa pa rin ang inaabol nila dito. Lakaya. Oh, miscommunication on the part of Lakaya and De La Cruz as Zio Sanchez once again missing on that one. Dayden. And there's a foul. 57-44, 13-point lead for the Arrows. And 6 minutes and 58 left here. Zio, he wants to try a three of his own. Will drop. And a steal by Sanchez. Counter steal for Meneses. Oh, Meneses against 4 defenders. Doesn't matter for Abraham Meneses. As Vincent Shensa checks back in from the side of GTU Arrows. Here's Reb. Natapikan. Reb Capada. Gives it to Kyrie Santos. He wants the pick. Kyrie drives a flip shot. Basket and one for Kyrie Santos. A very smooth move. And De La Cruz, that's his 4th personal. And smooth free throws from Kyrie Santos. 12-point lead pa rin ang nahabol nila. As Meneses was fouled by Rosetas down there. Here's Lakaya. A very steady guard from the side of Arrows. As a 3-pointer on its way. Wala. Na kanino wala. Beruela. May kasama pang foul. Basket and one for number 25. That's Cyriel Beruela. As he completes the 3-point play opportunity. Leo Sanchez setting things up for the side of Infinite Basketball. Dia gives it to Kyrie Santos. He wants an ISO. Kyrie drives to the left. He bumps. He spins. Fadeaway jumper short. Ito matakbo na naman nakabote. Abraham Meneses sees the daylight. Not that time. As good defense from the side of and Jaden Ramirez there gives it to Sanchez. And Sanchez gets blocked from behind. And Coach Jundison wants to talk things over. We'll be right back after this timeout. And that timeout is brought to you by Doride Modern ng Pinoy, the official game ball of Junior MPBL. As Zio Sanchez, a very good play. Same play na ginawa ng GT Arrows kanina on 3 points by Tenorio. And this time, yun ang sagot dito ng Infinite Basketball. And that's a foul on Austin Assistant. Here's Vico Lakaya. Vico, he gets fouled by the Infinite Basketball. Yeah, it's a push from Jaden Ramirez. Two free throws coming up for Vico Lakaya. And he misses on that one. That's a violation for the side of the Arrows. 12-point lead for GTU. And a steal completed. That's just another foul from the side of Infinite Basketball. And two free throws for Beruela. And the first one is good. (64 to 50). 4 minutes and 31 left here in the third. And a steal by De La Cruz, going all the way to the cup. Correction, that's Beruela. Cyril. 16-point lead ang inaabot ng Infinite dito. Kyrie, nagkakapasahan. Gives it to Sanchez. Shot clock reads 14. Another turnover for the Infinite Basketball. Beruela driving, dropping. And that's a basket from Vico Lakaya. 18-point lead for the Arrows. Kyrie Santos sees the daylight. An easy basket for Kyrie Santos. As Vincent Ciencia flips the shot, but there's a foul on that last play. Yeah, it's on number 00, Inigo Taran. Inigo, that's his fourth personal foul. And at the line shooting two is Vince Ciencia. (69 to 52), 17 big lead for the Arrows with 3 minutes and 20 left. What can Infinite Basketball can answer as Inigo Taran fires away? He comes up empty on that possession. What can they do? The Infinite Basketball trailing by 17. 3 minutes left here in the third. De La Cruz gives it to Lakaya. Corner three. Money for Vico Lakaya as he extends the lead to 20. The biggest margin for this game as De La Cruz steals the ball. Back to De La Cruz. A unselfish basketball from the side of GTU Arrows. 74 to 52, 2 minutes and 25 left. As foul has been called for number 17, Vincent Ciencia, and that's his third foul. Si Ligo Taran since the free throw. Lakaya all day to shoot. And Vincent Shensa with a follow-up. And nakuha naman ni Jake Almeida on that follow-up. Infinite Basketball not boxing out on that possession. Kyrie and good defense from the side of the GT Arrows, forcing a turnover. Tenorio. And a steal. Almost a steal by the Infinite Basketball. Shot block reach line. Tenorio cutting. Santos, the flip shot, runner won't drop. He gets his own miss, and the follow-up is good for Kyrie Santos. Very resilient player from the side of Infinite Basketball. As Jaden De La Cruz finishes at the rim with 1 minute left here in the third frame. And he travels on that one. Vincent Shensa, he spins. Beruela, the flip shot won't drop. Matakbo na naman naka itim at dilaw as Rib Capada finishes at the fast break. 78-57. Mahaba pa nga habulin dito ng Infinite Basketball as they turn the ball over. The Pinoy Step Beauty. And there's a foul on that last play. And the first one for Rosette. He misses on that one. Bola, balik si Arrows. Last 8 seconds. Aware ba sila dito? Vincent to Beruela. 2 seconds on the clock at the buzzer. And at the end of the third, it's all GTU Arrows. 78-57. And we'll be right back after this break. Growy contains 100% vitamin D3 to help strengthen bones and muscles. Beat the growth deadline. Switch to Growy by Unilab. And we are about to start the fourth and final quarter. Ang mananalo dito, they will be the third team to enter the semifinals for the North Division 13 and under. Yes, Infinite Basketball turned the ball over. 78-57 with 9 minutes and 40 left. Reb Capada. He wants to attack. Reb drops it off. Good find for Inigo Taran. Good ball movement from the side of Infinite Basketball. DK for 3. Yes, sir! For DK DK Manahan. Kyrie almost a turnover. He spins. O drop. Hingin ni DK yung bola. DK. The in and out. Pinoy step. Wala. He gets his own miss. DK pa rin. Bicol Lakaya. He launches away from me downtown. Wala ngayon. As DK steals the ball. And there's a traveling violation on that last play. Eight minutes and 20 left. And there's a foul on that last screen. And it's on number 30. That's his second foul. As assistant gets the ball, Sanchez. Top block reads 5. Austin kicks it out. Ramirez, top of the key. 3. Not that time as Kyrie Santos once again finishing for the side of Infinite Basketball. 20 pa rin dito ang inahabol ng Infinite as Lakaya gives it to DK. DK, he drives, sidestep. Wala. There's the Infinite pushing the ball as Zio Sanchez once again missing on that play. DK drops it off. Good find. That's number 38, Alvin Obleza. Austin crossing over against DK. Sanchez from deep, in and out. Rebound secured by the guys wearing white jerseys. Here's Vico dancing. And an offensive foul was called. Good call by the refs. Here's Vico splitting defenders. Steal by the Infinite Basketball. Kyrie. The layup is good for Kyrie Santos. DK. A little bit off on that time. 5 minutes and 58 left here in this ball game. 63 to 83, 20-point lead for the Arrows. As that's a 3-pointer, Estrid Capada. That's a push on that's a number 18. As we see the jumper, no good. DK. Chito Beruela. And a 3-pointer on its way for the side of Vitianos as they intercept the ball. Here's the Arrows pushing the ball once again. Shensha, he fires a three. Won't drop. As Choi with a follow. And who gets the ball? There is a jump. Top block reached there. As Choi misses. And Zio Sanchez once again missing on that layup. Here's DG Arrows. He travels on that one. Here's Zio. No, that's Jaden Ramirez with a step back. Old drop for 20 left here in the fourth. Steal by Infinite Basketball. That's number 33. Oh, what a ball fake, and what a finish from Randolph Loquinario. As Reb Capada scores once again. Tenorio. Isito Makirang. Steal by the Infinite. The side step. Beauty. Block by Lakaya. Here's Santos. He drives and he finishes at the rim. Ramirez. That's a 3-pointer for Ramirez. He cuts the lead back to 15. And GTU Arrows will talk things over. We'll be right back after this. And we are back here. The timeout is brought to you by Dorite Bola ng Pinoy, the first Pinoy basketball and the official game ball of Junior and PBL. There's DK Manahan. Ethan Kalinawan misses on that one. Zio. And the ball goes back to the GTU Arrows. 85-70, 15-point lead for the Arrows. 2 minutes and 32 left. Here's Takaya. He gives it to DK Manahan. He travels on that one. Here's Kyrie. The short stab is good for Kyrie Santos. And another steal for Kyrie. The floater Not that time. And we're inside a twilight zone. Last 2 minutes here in this quarterfinals game as Beruela, the sidestep beauty, gets denied by Ed Capada. One minute and 45 left. Marami pa pwedeng mangyari dito in this game. Infinite Basketball, they just need to stop the bleeding as Zio Sanchez steals the ball. Zio, magkano tayo napapasahan? Gives it to Ramirez. Give it to their hot hand. Number 33 kicks it out. Zio Sanchez, shot clock leads 10. Heidi Santos ngayon, and they turn the ball over. Wasted possession from the side of Infinite Basketball as DK Manahan wasting away the clock. Nakaya, step back, jumper is in for Vico Nakaya. And Infinite Basketball would like to talk things over. We'll be right back after this timeout. Zio lines it up from deep. On top. Who gets the ball? Number 14. He drives the drop pass. Sanchez gives it to number 14. Kicks it out. And naputakan ng 24 dito ang Infinite Basketball. 44.2 left here in this game. As the jumper by Nobleza won't drop as Choi finishes at the rim. That's Dustin Choi. 29.7 seconds left here in this game. Inigo lines it up from deep. Bang for Inigo Taran. 15 seconds left. Tenorio crossing over. Gives it to Choi. Dustin Choi to Nobleza for the deuce. And that's how you end the ball game. 91-75. A huge win for the GTU Arrows. And they are the third team who will advance to the semifinals. Once again, the final score 91-75. We'll be right back for the Game Awards. And our Milo Assist Champ of the Game, courtesy of Vincent Ciencia with 6 assists. Mga kaliga, I'm with our Chef's Magic Player of the Game, DK Manahan, with 22 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 4 steals. DK, congratulations sa panalo. One question for you, ano yung mga naging susi para sa panalo nyo ngayong game?
Nag-training lang po kami. Tapos sinunod lang po namin yung depensa namin. Tapos yung sistema namin. Yun lang po.
Kaya naman, a very dominating game for you guys. And this time, baka may mga gusto kang i-shoutout at pasalamatan.
Unang-una, shoutout po kay Lord sa panalo na to. And shoutout din po kay Mommy, kay Daddy, kay Ate, kay Elaine. And shoutout po kay Kuya Matt Pindoy. Photography yan. Pa-picture na kayo dyan. Tapos kay, ang pangalan niya kaya? Kuya JM. Tapos, shoutout sa mga teammates ko sa Shanghai Shek. Tapos dito po. Tapos si Tito Ryan, si Tito Davis. Tapos si Kuya Kurt, si Dedo. Tapos yung mga kampi ko po. Si Coach Justin, yung isa namin Coach Justin, tapos si Coach, yun lang po. Coach Josh, yun lang.
Once again, congratulations to our Chef's Magic Player of the Game, DK Manahan. Finishes the game with 22 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 4 steals. Mga kaliga, don't go away. We have one more game left here in the Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 3. Stay tuned.